Hey Saab enthusiasts. Hey, making a video here to help you get some seats out of a car in a wrecking yard and how to hot wire them. So there's another video on YouTube, but I couldn't quite follow it very well because he didn't really describe very well where this connector is located. So this is the driver's seat. This is underneath the front of the driver's seat. This is the front. And the connector that he was talking about in that other video is located right here. And so you can, push that and, work this baby loose and get it out of here. And so he was talking about hot wiring these, the blue ones, blue and blue stripes. So he gives the numbers and they're numbered really clearly there. But anyway, I had a hard time following that. So I was trying to do this on my own. And so what I did is I took a pair of dikes and I cut off the main wiring harness that goes under the carpet underneath the seat. And in that main wiring harness that goes to the seat, there's a good size red and a good size black wire. Not this one. This one has actually 2 wires in it. And if you hot wire this red and black to a 12-volt battery, of course, I've got a battery right here and it's handy, but you have to have, probably twist on some extensions and have a 12-volt battery and supply power to your seat like this, and then you can make it go forward and back to get the bolts out. Okay, so anyway, that's the driver's side. So on the passenger side it's a little bit different. So I tried that same way, but I couldn't make it work. So what I did on the passenger side is I found the connector that the other guy was talking about, and that is this connector right here. It's located just like on the front part of the seat, right under the front of the seat. It's kind of hard to get apart. You gotta peel that back and pry it apart. But anyway, same deal. Blue and white are the wires that go to the motor that moves the seat forward and backwards. So in my case, what I did is I took just an old power cord and I put a couple just push-on connectors and put those on the connectors for the blue and white wires. So then I've got just a plug that I put a wire on one side, and I'll show you how this works. So in this case, when you do this, it's going to move it just one way. Okay, then to make it go the other way, you've got to reverse polarity. Then you can make it travel the other way so you can get to the bolts. Okay, I've tried a Ryobi 18-volt battery. Thought I could make that work, and for whatever reason I didn't seem to have very good luck with that. So my thinking is that you need to do it with some sort of a 12-volt battery. Anyway, hopefully that helps. You guys have fun with your Saabs. I love them too. Bye.